ISUPK.
You may think we out here, you know what I'm saying, for fun. You may think we out here because we bored. No, we actually out here for a purpose, man. We out here because we have to. We out here because we are told to be out here. We out here because it's a commandment. You know what I'm saying? We are, and we out here because we love every black, Hispanic, and Native American. Give me Matthew 24. Because we love every black, Hispanic, and Native American, man. You know what I'm saying? And what we also come out here to do, let me forget this, is to bring prophecies, you know what I'm saying? Bring prophecies of what's gonna happen in this day. So what I'm gonna get into a quick little prophecy, because as you can see, if you look at the news, you can see the wars going on. War is about to happen. World War III is at the brink, you know what I'm saying? We got the American dollar, you know what I'm saying, about to go out, you know what I'm saying? China about to take over as the power of this world, you know what I'm saying? And it's all written in this book right here. It's all written in this book, a prophecy of what's about to happen. And we're gonna get to start at verse 5. And what we're gonna get into is you know what I'm saying, a prophecy that, and for y'all that don't believe in the Bible, you know what I'm saying? For y'all say that the white man wrote this Bible, for y'all wanna say that the Bible is fake, you can never say these prophecies are. Go ahead.
Kind. This is the book of Matthew chapter 24, starting at verse 5. For many shall come in my name.
He said, for many shall come on now. Now I'm gonna give you just a quick little breakdown of what's happening. You know what I'm saying? The priests went to Christ and they asked him, when are you gonna come back? Because they know Christ knew he was gonna die, right? And he told all his disciples that he's gonna die, right? So they're trying to figure out, when will he come back? They're trying to figure out what time, what day is he about to come out? And this is what Christ broke down to him. Go ahead.
For many shall come in my name.
For many shall come in my name. Go ahead.
Saying, I am Christ, and shall deceive many. Verse 6. And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars.
You shall hear wars and rumors of wars. What do you hear? If you turn on it, you turn to CNN, you turn on any channel, you know what I'm saying, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, anything, you will see how World War III is about to happen. And they say it ain't just talked about, you know what I'm saying? It ain't just something to have a conversation about. No, they say it's about to happen. Actually, they say that Vladimir Putin walks around with a briefcase with the little nuclear button bomb he got going on. So he ready. Go ahead.
Kind. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet.
They say the end is not yet. It said, don't fear not. It must come to pass. Because I know, like the 2012, that, you know what I'm saying, we seen white folk out there selling their houses, selling everything. They didn't sell their kids, thinking about the world's about to end. They say, don't do that. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. It's going to be a time for that. It ain't right now. Keep going.
Kind. Verse 7. For nation shall rise against nation.
So nation shall rise against nation. Who we got? We got America versus Russia. We got America versus China. You know what I'm saying? All nations is going against nations. Exactly like this Bible said. You cannot tell me this Bible is not real.
Right.
Keep going.
Kind. And kingdom against kingdom.
And kingdom against kingdom.
And there shall be famines and pestilences and earthquakes in divers places.
It should be famine, pestilence, and earthquakes in diverse places. You can turn the news, you can see this exact prophecy happen as we speak.
That's right.
As we speak, it's happening right now. Go ahead.
Right. Verse 8. All these are the beginning of sorrows.
All these are the beginning of sorrows. It is says it's the end of sorrows. Oh no, it's just begun. It's just begun. You got a lot more to go through. And you think this is bad? Wait till what the Lord got in store for you. Keep going.
Verse 9. Then shall they deliver you up to be afflicted and shall kill you.
And then they shall deliver you be afflicted. As you can see, once again, news coverage, everything. Blacks get shot by the police. And own nations is killing their own people. Look what happened down in Texas.
Right.
The brother ran over his own brothers and sisters, man.
Right.
And keep going.
Khan. Salakia. And ye shall be hated of all nations for my name's sake.
And ye should be hated for all nations. You know we hate it. The ISUPK, we hate it.
Right.
We hate it amongst them all. And that's exactly what the prophet said. Exactly what's happening right now. Keep going.
Khan, verse 10. Then shall many be offended and shall betray one another.
And what?
Many shall be offended and shall betray one another.
And many should be offended and betray each other. Just like I said, the brother, I don't know if he was in El Salvador or what he was, but he ran over his own brother. What do the Crips and Bloods do? They kill each other. What do the GDs and Vice Lords do? They shoot and kill each other. Keep going.
And shall hate one another.
You should what?
Hate one another.
Red hate blue. Orange hate purple.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? White hate everything. You know what I'm saying? Well, that's where. Keep going.
Verse 11. And many false prophets shall rise and shall deceive many.
Many false prophets. I don't even have to go down the list. There's so many.
Right.
There's so many false prophets, man. And this prophecy is naming it. Don't tell me that this Bible is fake.
Right.
Don't tell me this Bible not real.
Right.
These prophecies happen now, man. Keep going.
Verse 12. And because iniquity shall abound, the love of many shall wax cold.
What?
The love of many shall wax cold.
Say that again.
And because iniquity shall abound, the love of many shall wax cold.
Because all this iniquity, there ain't no love out here no more.
Right.
There's a point in time, what was it, the Black Wall Street?
Right.
Them brothers loved each other. They built that town up. Now because of our iniquity, there's no love. It's wax cold, it said.
Right.
We hate one another. We can't stand one another. If a brother walk by and accidentally brush you, you ready to kill him. I'm saying we hate one each other. Keep going.
Khan, verse 13. But he that shall endure unto the end.
But what?
He that shall endure unto the end.
Say that again.
But he that shall endure unto the end.
Say it again.
But he that shall endure unto the end.
But he that shall endure to the end. Keep going.
The same shall be saved.
And what?
The same shall be saved.
So you can go and do whatever you want. You can follow no laws. You can just go around, smoke weed. You know what I'm saying? You can go strip club. You know what I'm saying? You can buy horse. You can do all this, right? Can you do that? Read that again.
Khan, verse 13. And because, Salakia. But he that shall endure.
He that what?
Shall endure.
Shall endure. That means even if Christ ain't came back in 10 years, you still following the laws.
Right.
And Christ ain't came back in 20 years, you are still following the laws. You are still loving your brothers. Keep going.
But he that shall endure unto the end, the same shall be saved.
The same shall be free. What, read that again?
Khan, this is the book of Matthew, chapter 24, verse 13. But he that shall endure unto the end,
Him that shall endure to the end, go ahead,
the same shall be saved.
same shall be saved, man. Follow the laws, man.
Nobody tell you cry. You know why? Because I never saw you before. But you a black man like me. And it's worth something.
My whole life was trying to find something to follow. Had loyalty, every man tried to borrow. Felt pain and a lot of sorrow. Got betrayed, so packed, I didn't even have my heart broke. Living confused, about to lose hope. Cops got me on the side of the road like a sideshow. Need an antidote before I croak. Now I'm setting fire to rhythm man blues, call this guitar smoke. Rebel with no cause, trying to find direction. The world got me vexed. Picked up a bad liquor habit that's hereditary from oppression. Felt like my life was on fire, trying to find an exit. Now look, 10 G's plus a good wreck. Sometimes a follower is a soldier, trying to find a good shepherd. Plus when you in hell, how do you excel? Wisdom the breath of life, I don't believe in fairy tale. Listen well to what I tell. No calling can cause pain. Something that a rebel knows very well. Can't you tell I was sent from the Lord?